Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to talk about in this video about what makes a good sponsor in affiliate marketing. Now, part of my story was for a good part of my journey, I really didn't have any sponsors that were out there in any of the things I joined that where they actually helped me or anything like that. What I started doing was I started observing what the successful were doing, and that's how I started learning. And this was way back before Power Lead System or Exitus Lead, where they have all kinds of training products that are going to help you to succeed. Now, I always just observed what the successful were doing, and I did it. Except I just put my own personality in it, and I put my own spin on it. Now, my sponsor in Power Lead System and Exitus Lead, I've learned a lot from him. He's a perfect example of what a good sponsor is and what I try to emulate. So, being a good sponsor, you have to lead by example. You have to guide. You guide your leads, your team to success. Now, you can't make them succeed. That's totally up to them. They have to be willing to put in the work necessary to do that. And it's also to be accessible. There's a reason why I put my phone number and all my contact information in every single one of these videos. It's because I want you to call me. I want to connect with you. Whether it's through my phone number, through Facebook, send me a friend request, you can call me through the Facebook Messenger app. Whatever it is, I want you to call me. Because I want to be able to guide you, to be able to point you in the right direction on how to set things up and do things like that. And you got to realize that in the end, people join people. That's why I love YouTube. That's why I got over all my fears and hang-ups of the past. They were holding me back. I realized that. I started my YouTube channel in 2016. And now, I'm able to make videos like it's nothing. I used to be nervous. I was afraid of what I looked like, what I sounded like. Doesn't matter. People don't care what you look like. They don't care what you sound like. They don't care about any of that stuff. They just want your message. Now, if I can get over my hang-ups and over my fears, not only is that going to help my business, but it's going to give me confidence that I can do anything. So that's why I started this YouTube channel, because I wanted a way for people to see me and not just my affiliate link that I put out there. So today I just had somebody called me, and they saw my video on Power Lead System in the Cash Now funnel, and he had questions. He asked me questions, I answered them, and he really appreciated that I took the time to talk to him. Now, why is that? It's because people join people. That's how you're going to make the money. That's how you're going to make the sales. Now, you're probably watching this and you're saying, oh, I can't get in front of the camera. I can't do this. Yes, you can. Because I did it. I was afraid to make videos. But I realized the power in video marketing, so I started doing those videos. I started making videos just like this, where I'm just talking to you. And I always do all my videos like I'm talking about someone I care about, like a friend or a loved one. And that's not far off from the truth, because I do care about each and every one of you. And I do want to see you succeed. And making 6 figures in affiliate marketing and making good life-changing income in affiliate marketing is attainable if you're willing to get out there, get seen, and get heard. Now, I'd rather have a team full of people that are trying their very best, that are applying action every day, than to have a bunch of people that they make every excuse why they can't do this. We are all far more capable of doing more than we think we can. So that's what makes a good sponsor. A sponsor guides, a sponsor leads by example, meaning if you want to make the big money, you got to buy the products that are going to make you that kind of money, like Exitus Elite. If you want to make those $1,000 commissions, you got to come in at the G1000. If you want to make those big commissions in Power Lead System, you got to go diamond and platinum. And eventually I'm going to go in all the other products, because that's all I'm qualified for right now. But theoretically, I could make $525 every time someone potentially comes in, because I am qualified at those levels. That's why I always say come in as high as you possibly can, not just because I want to make money, because I want to position you guys to be able to make that kind of money. But all I can do is just give you the advice, and you can take it or leave it. But that's how the successful make their money, by showing people why you can make that kind of money. So my channel's always been about helping people and inspiring people not to give up in their dreams and goals. And that's why I know with the rest of this year and in the years to come, I'm going to finally attain that thing that I wanted to many years ago. And it's all because I'm doing all this stuff now that I was always afraid to do. So, like I said, a sponsor guides, a sponsor leads by example, and he makes himself accessible to his people. Now, all I can say is I want to see every single one of you guys succeed, no matter what it is, whether you join me in online business or whether it's something that you're doing right now. I want to see you guys succeed in whatever it is. That's what my YouTube channel has always been about. And you can watch videos I made years ago, and I'm still saying this exact same thing today. I want to see you succeed. And that's pretty much all I want to say in this video. I love making videos for you guys, and I'm going to continue to make more videos. I have a lot more videos coming out for Exitus Elite, and also the new Cash Now funnel for Power Lead System. That's the very best standalone, sales funnel I have ever seen that promotes Power Lead System by itself. So in that sales funnel, you're going to get an exact copy of it, and it's going to also show you in all 4 videos how to set everything up, how to get traffic to your sales funnel, and that's what I do. YouTube is my main way of getting out to people. It's my main way of showing people what I believe in my business. And it's really not hard. You just got to let go. You got to believe in your business. Like my sponsor always used to tell me, he used to say, find a business that you believe in and start letting go and telling people how much this business means to you and how much you love it. And Exitus Elite and Power Lead System, Exitus Elite being my primary business and Power Lead System being my back-end business. They are both rock solid businesses. They've been around for 8 years. That's why I stick with them. I don't join any other new shiny objects that are out there. If there are maybe in the future, way down the road, when there are some other opportunities that have proven themselves, I'll probably join those if they're solid enough. But these 2 businesses alone, have the ability to give you the time freedom and the financial freedom that you are seeking. So, and all the links are in the description below, including all my contact information. So that's all I'm going to say in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got enlightened by this video. And I hope that I will be hearing from some of you in the near future. So I got a lot of videos coming up, Exitus Elite especially. I want to get back into promoting Exitus Elite more. And there's some new updates to the system that I want to talk about. The yearly membership fee is now gone. It's now a one-time membership fee. You only got to pay it once, and then you pay for the product, and that gets sent to your sponsor for his commission. And they're all instant commissions, so you get paid the day that you join. So there's a lot more updates that I'm going to talk about with Exitus Elite and now the Cash Now funnel for Power Lead System. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new content, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.